States of America.
A host of high-octane fighters ready to perform for a home country crowd.
USA!
I'm proud to be a great American champion.
We are all Americans, and this is the dream. Thank you. USA, baby, let's go!
Have a fight on the White House lawn on the 250th birthday of America. This really is the most historic sporting event ever.
Washington, D.C.
I am so happy to represent the United States of America. Oh, big knockdown for Michael Chandler. God bless. See you at the top. Let's do the show on top of the world. Let's go, baby. Donald Trump told me. I got nothing. Yeah. You are ready to go. John Hogan, the Incredible Hulk. We're going to give them a good old American beatdown.
Statement made tonight. UFC Freedom 250.
It's going to be amazing. It's going to be historic, and I can't wait to see what happens at the White House lawn.
America, baby.
Then she stood in the street, smiling when I had to her feet. I said, hey, what is this? Now, baby, maybe she's a freak. Got a kiss. I said, hey, what's your name, baby? Maybe we can see the same. Now, don't you hate, oh, hesitate. Let's move. Let me take it out. I took her home.
For 250 years, Americans have harnessed the power of words to express revolutionary ideas.
We hold these truths to be self-evident, that all men are created equal,
that inspire historic events.
that they are endowed by their Creator with certain unalienable rights, that among these are life, liberty, and the pursuit of happiness.
Words that ignite our fighting spirit
Give me liberty, or give me death.
and challenge the status quo.
A house divided against itself cannot stand.
Words that summon our courage,
The only thing we have to fear is fear itself.
that champion the cause of freedom,
Mr. Gorbachev, tear down this wall.
and push the boundaries of possibility.
We choose to go to the moon in this decade and do the
Everything for me. I'm so grateful for this opportunity. This moment is big for me. It's big for my career. It's big for MMA in general. All fans across the world is watching the fight. So I want to deliver a spectacular performance for the people.
Enter Diego Lopez, a force of nature out of Manaus, Brazil.
This dude is an absolute savage. He's so fun. He's so explosive.
This man truly has no weak areas.
Tonight, I need to defend my position in the top 5. I need to be aggressive, be violent, be myself.
Oh! Uppercut for Lopez early.
This guy can do everything. I mean, he is an animal.
But to it, nasty.
Steve Garcia is a perfect style for me because I like the chaos. I look for this.
Lopez with reckless abandon pressing forward. Oh!
He's out.
Diego Lopez does it again!
The whole card is sick, but Diego Lopez versus Steve Garcia is going to be one of the best fights of all time.
Real fight fans certainly know what a great fight this is.
I look for the knockout, and he look for the knockout.
This fight should be fireworks, and this is the perfect place to do it.
They want to go out there, walk right into the fire, and find that finish.
Diego's very dangerous, but to be honest, I think I wanted more. He's had his time. He's challenged for the title 2 times already, and that's what I'm chasing right now, and I think this is going to be the perfect opportunity for me to get there.
Garcia unleashing the mean machine tonight. That will do it.
I don't think I'm a stepstone. I proved this before. If he think this, Steve is a lot of trouble tonight. I had a lot of power in my hands. I never give up, so I look for the finish always.
Oh, spinning back elbow from Lopez. Whoa.
This is not just beating Diego Lopez. This is sending a message. It's about being so undeniable that nobody can stop him.
Oh, he got him.
I'll do whatever it takes. I'll break every bone in his body if I have to.
Oh, my goodness.
That is enough.
Tonight, I prove it one more time. I'm one of the best guys in the world. I'm 100% sure that I'm looking out.
I just got 3 things to say. God bless our troops. God bless America. And gentlemen, start your engine!
No, 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 this fight is 3 rounds in the UFC middleweight division. Introducing first, brought to you by Tech Fusions. Tonight, Howard takes center stage. Tech Fusion, technology, environment, community. Fighting out of the blue corner, a big martial artist holding a professional record. 17 wins, 4 losses, 1 no contest. He stands 6 feet 2 inches tall, weighing in at 186 pounds. Fighting out of Philadelphia, Pennsylvania, Kyle Daukaus. And now, introducing his opponent, fighting out of the red corner, a mixed martial artist holding a professional record. 8 wins, 1 loss. He stands 6 feet 1 inch tall, weighing in at 186 pounds. Fighting out of State College, Pennsylvania, Nick Hall. And when the action begins, our referee in charge, Jason Herzog. Ladies and gentlemen, referee Jason Herzog has called a stop to this contest at 4 minutes, 34 seconds in the very first round. Declaring the winner by TKO by Nick Hall.
Congratulations, sir. Don't take me down. Congratulations. Bo, I know how patriotic you are. I know how important it was for you to be on this card. How good does it feel to get that knockout right here at the White House?
It feels amazing. You know, first and foremost, got to thank President Trump for making this happen. Thank you, Dana, all the UFC, everybody. This is unbelievable. It takes such a special person to be able to have the balls to do something like this, and I have so much respect for him. I've, had that for a long time, and I'm just grateful to be here, grateful to be a part of it. And I visualized about 100 different ways to finish that guy, and that was one of them, and it worked out, and I'm just grateful.
Well, take a look at it on the big screen. I want you to enjoy this, because this was a picture perfect, straight left that did the job. Well, that was early in the fight. You landed that front kick, but here it is, right there. Boom. Hard work pays off.
Hard work pays off. Hey, I'm a wrestler. I've learned how to do a couple more things. I'm going to keep getting better, keep improving. And, I just got to say, I'm so grateful to God for blessing me with this opportunity. I learned a Bible verse in high school. It's John 10:10. It says, "The thief comes to steal, kill, and destroy. I have come to give you life so that you may live it to the full." And I feel like I'm living it to the full, enjoying every moment. And I'm so blessed with an amazing team, amazing family, my parents, my 3 sisters, my wife, my 2 boys. I'm just as grateful as can be, and that's really my attitude moving forward in life, is just to have gratitude and appreciate all that God's blessed me with.
Well, as a fan, I'm really enjoying watching you move towards the rankings. Congratulations, sir. Ladies and gentlemen, Bo Nickal.
take it back. That would be magic. No, that would be remarkable, incredible, unbelievable. Protect every file on every system, everywhere. Share with confidence. Unshare with certainty. The world may never be the same again.
It's time to give back to the families who serve. We're honored to partner with the UFC to ensure all military families claim their Trump accounts. The new investment account for American kids, powered by the U.S. Treasury. Newborns receive $1,000. Billions more have been donated for older kids. All you have to do is claim your child's account today at TrumpAccounts.gov.
That fight was crazy. Excuse me.
Justin, glad you made it.
Not just something.
So thoughtful.
Love what you done with Bucks.
Thanks. It was all Kelsey. Want to see my koi pond?
Nah, I'm good. Low on rhymes. Oh yeah, there's plenty.
We should do this more often.
How's next Saturday?
Perfect.
Should be a good fight.
Can't see the TV.
Every single month, attorneys take $32.8 million from veterans' benefits. VSOs spend millions on fundraising and executives, but invest nothing in improving the system. So I built something better. I built VetClaims.ai. 18 months, 50,000 veterans helped, 370 veteran jobs created. Veterans deserve a better system. Veterans deserve VetClaims.ai.
America is the greatest country ever to exist, period, bar none. It's the greatest country ever to exist. The stakes are high. We should be thankful, not angry to live in this country. We should be thankful to get to the ground and say we are the luckiest human beings ever to exist, that we are able to live in this country at this time. You still live in the greatest nation ever to exist in the history of the world. There is still so much to be hopeful and to be thankful for. And now it's on us. What are you going to do about it?
America's military is unmatched. America is winning.
We will measure our success not only by the battles we win, but also by the wars we end, and perhaps most importantly, the wars we never get into. It's called peace through strength. Through our power and might, we will lead the world to peace. Our friends will respect us, our enemies will fear us, and the whole world will admire the unrivaled greatness of the United States military. God bless you, God bless our armed forces, God bless our men and women serving overseas, and God bless the United States of America.
When we view American history from a distance, we see indelible images, frozen in time. But when we take a closer look at the faces of those who founded this nation, we see America's fighting spirit come to life, right before our eyes.
The British are coming!
We're a nation born of revolution, so fighting is in our DNA. Liberty's call still echoes across the ages. The sacrifice of patriots inspire us to this day. The courage of pioneers still shows us the way. From the singular icons who shook up the world to the millions of unknowns who marched for their rights, our fighting spirit is a living legacy of all who stepped forward when the moment demands it. Our lifeblood comes from the people who came before us, who fought for our freedom and brought us to new frontiers. After 250 years, our story is just beginning, and our National Gallery is still a timeless work in progress. With each generation, countless new images of our fighting spirit come into view, and every one of us may leave our mark on the great American mural.
A long, long time ago, I can still remember how that music used to make me smile. And I knew if I had my chance that I could make those people dance, and maybe they'd be happy for a while.
and gentlemen, tonight we recognize those who are first to respond when others are in need. The men and women who run toward danger so others may find safety. Please stand and join us in honoring our first responders. Thank you for your service, your sacrifice, and for being the steady presence people rely on in their most critical moments.
When I first heard the UFC was coming to the White House, immediately I thought I have to be on that card. Not just the fact that it's on the White House lawn, but the fact that it is America's 250th birthday. Have to be a part of that celebration.
Proudly donning the stars and stripes, here is Iron Michael Chandler.
I think about being draped in the red, white, and blue of the American flag, and I could not be more proud to represent the country.
This guy is a kill or be killed fighter in his soul.
I believe I can beat anybody in the lightweight division on any given night.
You know that Michael Chandler's gonna give you a show.
I'm always looking to dominate. When I put the foot on the gas, when I throw caution to the wind, and I make it a chaotic, tie yourself onto a tornado, edge of your seat type of fight, and I'm ready to settle in for 15 hard minutes on the White House lawn.
Talk about Rufy. Many people haven't seen a mixed martial arts striker and athlete on this level.
Esse momento é gigante para minha carreira. O UFC só me deu grandes oportunidades. Lutar na Casa Branca realmente é surreal. Eu estou muito feliz e honrar essa oportunidade que eu tive.
But Rufy has one punch knockout power, incredible accuracy, and flawless technique.
Eu sei o que eu vou fazer. Eu só sei fazer uma coisa dentro do octógono. Ir lá e nocautear os meus adversários. E é isso que eu trago essa noite. Então eu acredito que vencendo o Michael Chandler com um nocaute diferente, eu vou ter a minha oportunidade de lutar pelo cinturão.
I respect Mauricio, but I've never been more confident in my abilities as a man and as a competitor, as a vessel of violence.
I am the most entertaining lightweight on the planet.
I'm gonna go out there, I'm gonna finish him and get my hand raised. I was born for a stage such as this, for a time such as this, and he's gonna learn to an American buzzsaw named Michael Chandler on the White House lawn.
you at the top.
Where the beat go? Drums came in, you ain't see that coming. Hands on my head, they tell me nothing. Got a taste of the fame and up on my stomach. Jump back up like I don't want it. Wipe my face, clean up my vomit. On CD, trying to push my button. I said don't touch it. Now y'all done it. I'm gonna be critical, never typical. If you give a death every syllable, I'm a criminal. Intimate, never political, pretty visual. Even if you hate it, I'll make you feel like you're in it. You call me what you want, but never call me forgettable. Leave me deep in thought, I can never swim in the kiddie pool. Waited, I've been thinking the cinematic is beautiful. Man, I don't know if I'm making movies or music videos. I don't know if I've been taking a look at the benefits. Nothing no matter what, I can never be delicate. My irrelevant than the bitch, you measure it. Take a measurement to back it up and give me the evidence. Pretty evident, dependable, can never pretend it. If I'm a tit on it, depending on everything you're genuine. Pretty elegant, but not afraid to tell you to get it. Grab my etiquette, I keep it to myself when I celebrate. It's that time again. Better grab your balloons and invite your friends. Sing bounce back on, yeah, strap them in. Look at me, everybody, I'm smiling big. On a roll right now that I can't predict. Tell me tone that down, but I can't resist. Y'all know that sound, better raise your fist. The search begins, I'm back, so enjoy the trip. Drums came in, you ain't see that coming. Hands on my head, can't tell me nothing. Got a taste of the fame and up on my stomach. Jump back up like I don't want it. Wipe my face, clean up my vomit. On sneak deep, trying to push my buttons. I said don't touch it. Now y'all done it. I'm gonna be critical, never typical. If you give a death every syllable, I'm a criminal. Intimate, but never political, pretty visual. Even if you hate it, I'll make you feel like you're in it. You call me what you want, but never call me forgettable. Leave me deep in thought, I can never swim in the kiddie pool. Waiting, I've been thinking the cinematic is beautiful. Man, I don't know if I'm making movies or music videos. I've been taking a look at the benefits. Nothing no matter what, I can never be delicate. My irrelevant than the bitch, you measure it. Take a measurement to back it up and give me the evidence. Pretty evident, dependable, can never be tentative. I'm a gentleman, depending on if I can be genuine. Pretty elegant, but not afraid to tell you to get it. Grab my etiquette, I keep it to myself when I celebrate. It's that time again. Better grab your balloons and invite your friends. Sing bounce back on, yeah, strap them in. Look at me, everybody, I'm smiling big. On a roll right now that I can't predict. Tell me tone that down, but I can't resist. Y'all know that sound, better raise your fist. The search begins, I'm back, so enjoy the trip. Waited, I've been thinking the cinematic is beautiful. Man, I don't know if I'm making movies or music videos. I can take a look at the benefits. Nothing no matter what, I can never be delicate. My irrelevant than the bitch, you measure it. Take a measurement to back it up and give me the evidence. Pretty evident, dependable, can never be tentative. I'm a gentleman, depending on if I think you're genuine. Pretty elegant, but not afraid to tell you to get it. Grab my etiquette, I keep it to myself when I celebrate. It's that time again. Better grab your balloons and invite your friends. Sing bounce back on. Nesse rio da vida se colocando desde os 12 anos. Conflito batendo e apanhando. Acreditando era eu, meu mano. Que fechou, fechamos, juntos confiamos. Os empecilhos e de lá pra cá fomos. Saí de casa aos 14. Sem tempo pra TV, tempo é maior adversário. Choque de realidade que me trouxe a força. Pra nocautear o inimigo e se manter de pé. Fortificando, fortalecendo a fé. Os planos de Cristo, só dele eu tô vivo. Foi orgulho meu filho, com cintura eu me sinto. No modo agressivo, busco os objetivos. Já tá escrito no livro sagrado de mim, não acredito. Eu vou lutar pra tua oponente. Nada de quem tá na minha frente. Eu sou predestinado, iluminado, projeto de Deus honrado. Eu vou lutar e pra tua oponente. Cuidado de quem tá na minha frente. Eu sou predestinado, iluminado, projeto de Deus honrado. É descansar o nosso nosso coração no Senhor e a glória. Eu santifico tudo ao nosso Criador. Eu vou lutar enquanto oponente, cuidado de quem tá na minha frente. Eu sou predestinado, iluminado, projeto de Deus honrado. Eu vou lutar enquanto oponente, cuidado de quem tá na minha frente. Eu sou predestinado, iluminado, projeto de Deus honrado. Descansa nosso coração do Senhor e a glória. Eu santifico tudo ao nosso Criador. Glória. Descansa nosso coração do Senhor e a glória. Eu santifico tudo ao nosso Criador. A tua oponente, cuidado de quem tá na minha frente. Eu sou predestinado, iluminado, projeto de Deus honrado. Eu vou lutar pra tua oponente, cuidado de quem tá na minha frente. Eu sou predestinado.
Ladies and gentlemen, this fight is 3 rounds in the UFC lightweight division. Introducing first, fighting out of the blue corner, brought to you by IonQ. Quantum is now. Visit IonQ.com. Presenting a mixed martial artist, holding a professional record, 23 wins, 10 losses. He stands 5 feet 8 inches tall, weighing in at 156 pounds. Fighting out of Deerfield Beach, Florida, by way of Nashville, Tennessee, Iron Michael Chandler. And now, introducing his opponent, fighting out of the red corner, a striker, holding professional record, 13 wins, 2 losses. He stands 5 feet 11 inches tall, weighing in at 155 pounds. Fighting out of Coral Rica, Alagoas, Brazil. Presenting the number 9 ranked UFC lightweight contender in the world, Mauricio Hooper. And when the action begins, a referee in charge, Mike Beltran. Ladies and gentlemen, referee Mike Beltran has called a stop to this contest at 4 minutes, 29 seconds of the very first round. Declaring the winner by TKO, Mauricio Hufe!
Ladies and gentlemen, I'm here with the winner, Mauricio Hufe. Mauricio, you came into this card as the biggest favorite of the night and delivered on that promise with a spectacular precision performance. How happy are you with the result?
Você entrou nesse evento como o maior favorito e você entregou com a melhor performance nesse momento. Como é que você se sente com a maneira como você acabou essa luta?
Amazing. The first thing I wanted to thank you, my God, for my life. Thank you, my family, my wife, Nadine. I love you so much. Thank you for everything. Dana White, Hunter, congratulations. Spectacular event. Thank you so much. I'm so happy. And I have a message. In John chapter 3, verse 16, say, "For God so loved the world that he gave his one and only Son, that whoever believes in him shall not perish, but have eternal life." Jesus changed my life. Jesus saved my life. Jesus want to save your life too. Give your life to Jesus. Thank you so much.
Mauricio, your opponent tonight is known for his durability, and you tested that durability, landing several wheel kicks, and then finally some beautiful punches to finish it off. How happy are you with this performance?
Eu estou muito feliz por essa performance, estou muito feliz de estar aqui, estou muito feliz de tudo que eu estou vivendo aqui. Vou agradecer ao UFC por toda a oportunidade de ter me dado. E o Michael Chandler é um grande lutador. Eu tenho treinado muito wrestling, eu quero ser o campeão da categoria. Eu sei que tem muitos desafios e eu estou entregando o máximo para que eu possa ter melhores performances. Obrigado, Volca. Obrigado ao meu time por toda a entrega.
I've been training so much. I was very happy with this performance, very happy with this win. I've been training so much to be the champion of this division, training in our own wrestling for that. Thank you for the UFC. Thank you, Hunter. Thank you, everybody, for the opportunity. Thank you, Volka, for just training with me. And thank you for my entire team for being for me.
Mauricio, the world title is on the line in the main event of the evening. You are one of the most exciting contenders in this division. Give us your thoughts on how you fit in here.
Você entra na categoria, a gente sabe que o título está em jogo no maior evento aqui do final da noite. Onde é que você entra?
Eu acredito que a minha próxima luta vai ser pelo título. Estou trabalhando muito nisso, estamos conversando sobre isso e acredito que pode acontecer. Eu quero falar algo muito importante e eu peço a atenção de todos vocês. Quando eu casei com a minha esposa, Nadine, eu não podia fazer uma festa, nós não tínhamos dinheiro. Mas eu conto também com esse bônus. E ó, aqui oficialmente, o melhor lugar do mundo para me pedir a minha esposa em casamento. Na Casa Branca. Nadine, você quer casar comigo? Agora nós conseguimos fazer uma festa e agradecer a Deus.
Got all that?
I want to be the champion of this division. I do believe that I am next up for the title shot. We've been talking, we're having some conversations, and I want to say something. A while ago, when I met my wife, Nadine, I really wanted to ask her to marry me, but we didn't have the money. We didn't have the condition. And now, what better place to ask my wife to get married? Nadine, I love you. Would you marry me, sister, right here in the White House?
She gave the thumbs up. Congratulations, sir, and congratulations on an amazing performance. Ladies and gentlemen, Mauricio Hufe!
the dick into the shindig. Drop top and says to come and get it. Choose not the life of imitation. Since big cuts into the reservation. We want this that you pay for. This work for me is what you pay for. In time I want to be your best friend. He's got up and sitting on the west end. Not come from Lord you never come to. Don't die in order to be so new. Don't write your message on the pavement. Turn so right, I want to put the pavement. White heat screaming in the jungle. Don't think the motion if you stumble. Don't watch the dust from any answer. Come back strong with 15 of the answers. Well, I love the tears, I love to be part of the way it does stop. Everyone turns. Well, I love the change, I love to be part of the way it gets done. Sweet heart is beating in the snowfall. So smart she's leaving me to ozone. Music, the great communicator. Use two spits to make it in your nature. I raise you with the penetration. The gender of the generation. The birth of every other nation. But your way to go to meditation. This chapter's gonna be a close one. Smoke rings, I know you're gonna blow one. All on the space and persevering. Use my hands for everything but steering. Can't stand the spirits when they need you. My tongues are happy when they need you. Can't but to fly into the treetop. Birds that flow the music is your beat. From the world I love, the tears I drop. Feel out of the way it can't stop. Everyone's doing this. All for good. Well, I love the dreams I love. Feel out of the way it can't stop. From the top.
Cut my life into pieces. This is my last resort. Suffocation, no breathing. Don't give a fuck if I call your bleeding. This is my last resort. Cut my life into pieces. I reach my last resort. Suffocation, no breathing. Don't give a fuck if I call your bleeding. Do you even care if I'm not bleeding? Would it be wrong? Would it be right? And we took my life tonight. Chances are that I might. Mutilation out of sight. And I contemplate until it's night. 'Cause I'm losing my sight. Losing my mind. Wish somebody would do it all right. Losing my sight. Losing my mind. Wish somebody would do it right by. Cut, 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 cut. Cut, 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 cut. I never realized I was way too deep. Till it was too late. And I was thinking with it.
Ladies and gentlemen, tonight we are honored to have in attendance those who answered the call to serve our nation. Please stand and join us in recognizing the brave men and women of the United States Armed Forces, the Army, Marine Corps, Navy, Air Force, Space Force, and Coast Guard. To those who wear the uniform of the United States of America, we are forever grateful for your service.